Hi, I just got a Wyze cam from Amazon and I just wanted to share with you what I got. So the camera comes with charger, cable, instructions, some kind of a metal plate and 3M adhesive, and of course camera. It's cute and small. So I'm gonna connect it and see how it works. In the back I see the power. This is micro USB connector. This is not a USB connector, and on the bottom there is a slot for micro SD card. This is some set button. So instructions say powered to the outlet. Wait 20 seconds until you see the yellow light blinking. Okay, it's blinking. Now press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. Setup button.
Ready to connect.
Alright, ready to connect. Follow the Wyze app to finish setup. So I need to use the app on my phone. And it also looks like the bottom of this has a magnet on top of magnet being in the middle of it. So you can stick it on the side. The camera was over there, so I just unplugged it like a couple of minutes ago and just plugged it in back to the outlet. Relocated to this location. Within a minute it was reconnected with no problems. And now it looks like my camera is working. I just click on this and it loads perfectly. You can also click voice and then you can talk to the camera. And you can change a different resolution between SD, HD. So let's put an HD and a bunch of other settings. Well, everything looks really good. You can zoom in. Quality is really great. Well, I have to say so far I like it.